everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Tania. I'm a senior PPC executive at Softtrix. If you are a beginner and unsure how to share Google Tag Manager access with another user, don't worry. I will guide you through the process step by step. Make sure to watch the full video. So let's get started.
First of all, you have to log in the Google Tag Manager, and once you are in the Tag Manager, then you have to go for the admin. So click on admin, and after that user management, and right side you will be see plus sign button. So click on this and user, put the email ID. Add the email ID, and after that you can give the account permission whatever you want. So I just want to give user. So after that just click on the invitation. So this is basically how we can add another user.
If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.